What's up, YouTube? It's me, Antoine. I'm standing in front of my great-grandparents' house, or what used to be their house. And the house was vacant for, I would say, pretty close to a decade. And finally, the family has decided that they were going to tear it down. And this is what's left of my great-grandparents' house. And I also have some footage that I'm going to show you of what took place yesterday. Alright, enjoy. Hey Ashley, how do you feel about the demolition process of your great-grandmother's house?
Well, it's kind of good, but it's kind of bad also. You know, bad because of memories.
Yeah. What's that about the memories?
I say it's kind of you know, the only thing bad about it is, you know, there's the memories.
Right.
And it's good also because, you know, we're just sitting there getting rotten.
Yeah. So, in other words, you're saying that, of course, you'll miss the house, but it's better to just have it demolished, you know, because there's nothing else that you can do with a house this old, you know? That's what you're trying to say.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. All right, K-Rod.
Sad, glad,
Why are you sad?
because memories, all kind of stuff.
Okay, all right.
I don't like that. But whatever goes, whatever goes.
You don't like what the fact that the house is coming down?
Yeah.
Well, do you think the house is livable?
No. So
Then why not? Oh, okay.
Might as well take it down.
All right. Well,
But-
there we go. And how I feel, I mean, I'm pretty nonchalant about the whole situation. You know, the house needed to come down. It's just an old house.
Yeah.
Great grandparents died many years ago. It's just sitting there.
Yep.